Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. And today I'm coming again before you with a video. Yep, you know what kind of video I'm filming and what is the purpose of my making videos. Yeah, everybody know that I'm learning English and at the same time I'm filming video and upload them in online to inspire those people who wanted to learn English. At the same purpose, at the same goal, I'm coming again with an English speaking practice videos of mine. I hope everybody doing good, and I'm doing good too. But I got little bit cough, but still I'm doing okay. I'm doing good. Yep, nothing bad happened to me, exception to a little bit cough. In the very beginning of the cough, when we about to get cough, um, we feel headache and we feel like that our head inside our head is just pounding and like something like that. So I'm feeling the same things right now, but yeah, I'm still okay. So please pray for me so that I can get well soon and make video for you and also for myself, with a very good health, with a very good health condition, so that I can express my real opinion, or I can speak with the real rhythm that I used to speak in English. Actually, maybe yesterday, yep, yesterday I get a comment from my videos. Somebody asked me that please make a video about your learning English journey. How did you start and how did you learn the English? And the person who commented in my videos, he appreciated me a lot. He said that my English is very good and my accent and pronunciation is pretty clear and understandable and comprehensible for himself. Yep, I also agree with you. And yep, my English is a little bit good, but I'm still trying to make it better and better. So yep, thank you for your comment. And actually, for making this kind of video, I really need a good amount of time to thinking about and study for a while, because the things that I followed, the things that I practiced, the book and all other stuff that I'm doing, I did for improving my English. So I have to organize that. I have to bring them in on place. So it's not easy things for me. So yep, I'll try to make a video, not this week, maybe the next week. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.